Ever felt like you're drowning in estimates, struggling to turn those potential gold mines into actual jobs? You're not alone. Housecall Pro promises to be the answer, but how do you actually transform an estimate into a job? Let's dive in. Imagine this. You've poured your heart and soul into crafting a detailed estimate, outlining your expertise and the value you bring. It's a masterpiece, right? But now comes the tricky part, converting that estimate into a book job. Housecall Pro is supposed to be the magic wand, but how do you wave it correctly? Let's break it down. First, we'll tackle the basics. Understanding the difference between an estimate and a job. It's more than just semantics. An estimate is your proposal, a promise of what you'll deliver. A job is the actual work you're committed to doing. Getting this clear will be your foundation. Next, we'll explore the nitty-gritty of Housecall Pro. We'll navigate the platform together, uncovering hidden gems and shortcuts that can streamline the process. From creating the estimate to transforming it into a job, we'll cover every step. But it's not just about clicking buttons. We'll discuss strategies to increase your conversion rate. How do you make that estimate irresistible? What kind of follow-ups work best? We'll share tips and tricks to turn those maybes into definite yes. We'll also touch on common pitfalls. Those little mistakes that can cost you jobs. We'll help you avoid them. And for those times when things don't go as planned, we'll provide solutions to get you back on track. Remember, converting estimates to jobs isn't just about software. It's about building relationships, understanding your clients, and delivering exceptional service. We'll wrap up by discussing how Housecall Pro can support these aspects of your business. So, are you ready to turn those estimates into money-making machines? Let's get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.